Welcome. Today, we're diving into combinatorics with a simple program to compute binomial coefficients. These coefficients are essential in probability, algebra, and algorithm design. We'll build a JavaScript function that calculates C, N, and K efficiently without needing full factorials. Let's break down the logic and implement the solution. The binomial coefficient tells us how many ways we can choose k elements from n total. This is commonly represented as C, N, and K, or N choose K. We'll ensure our code handles both normal and edge cases for robust use. Let's explore the formula and coding steps. Our function begins by checking for NaN values and basic edge cases. We then optimize by switching to the smaller value of k when needed. Instead of using factorials, we iteratively multiply values using the formula. Finally, we round the result to account for any floating point precision. To optimize performance, we avoid calculating entire factorials. Instead, we loop through values that make up the coefficient. Switching k to n minus k when it's larger helps reduce the iterations. This results in a faster and more efficient algorithm. Here are several test cases and how the coefficient is computed. You can see the loop simplifies the result to a few multiplications. This approach is efficient and avoids overflow for most integer values. It is especially useful in combinatorics, probability, and data science. Binomial coefficients are everywhere, from flipping coins to analyzing datasets. They are used in AI models, combinatorics, and dynamic programming problems. Understanding how to compute them is crucial for building efficient algorithms. This function gives us the flexibility to use them across projects. To wrap up, we've learned how to compute binomial coefficients cleanly in JavaScript. This function is efficient, accurate, and handles a wide range of inputs. Try integrating it into algorithms or games that rely on combinatorics. Thanks for watching, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.